Welcome back to another video. Today I will share several VS Code shortcuts to help you code more quickly, improve your workflow, and save time. So, let's get started. Let's start by exploring your code base. Finding what you need might be difficult in larger projects, but these shortcuts simplify it. To open any file, press Ctrl+P or Command+P on Mac. Then, enter the file name, and Visual Studio Code will find it for you. If you want to leap to a specific line, press Ctrl+G or Command+G on Mac and enter the line number. This is ideal for inspecting or debugging particular sections of your code. Now, let's talk about editing. These shortcuts will save you time and effort while writing and modifying code. Multi-cursor editing is a game changer. Hold Alt or Option and click wherever you want to place multiple cursors. Now, change all these variable names at once. Like this, you can edit multiple lines simultaneously. Suppose you want to duplicate a line. First, select the complete line. Then press and hold Shift+Alt and hit the up or down arrow keys to duplicate it in the respective direction. This is great for replicating similar lines of code quickly. To move a line up or down, select the line, hold Alt or Option, and press the up or down arrow key. This is super handy for organizing your code. To comment or uncomment a line, just press Ctrl or Command/. Whether you are debugging or documenting, this shortcut is a lifesaver. We will now make your code appear neat and polished. To instantly format your code, press Shift+Alt+F. Look at this. It's perfectly aligned with just one shortcut. To change a variable's name throughout your file, simply select it and press F2. This will rename the variable everywhere, preventing errors and manual modifications. Want to fix a line of code quickly? Select a single or multiple lines of code. Press Ctrl+Dot, and then a quick fix prompt appears. It gives you options on how you can fix your code. Choose the option that fulfills your requirements. This shortcut saves time when fixing typos or importing missing modules. Using these shortcuts will significantly increase your productivity. Once you start using them, you'll quickly notice a difference. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos like these.